In primetime news this evening, Hurricane Beryl moves closer north, increasing the chances of the eye passing over southern sections of the island.
We'll explore why our coastline can no longer put up a defense against hurricanes.
And we're staying Port Royal residents undeterred about Beryl's wrath. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it's all about Hurricane Beryl, so we will be hearing from the private sector organization of Jamaica about their emergency plans. Plus, what should I do with my vehicle now that Beryl is fast approaching? Those and more in the business day.
Lots to cover. Also, General, we want to tell our viewers that the Prime Minister is currently giving some updates to the nation. Of course, we'll have some of that for you a little later on in the bulletin. But with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you, Javon. Well, there won't be any action in sport tomorrow, but we'll tell you about a former national record holder who has gotten her career back on track and has secured a place on Jamaica's team to the Paris Olympics. More in Primetime Sports later.
And I like to refer to him as the man of the moment. Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain.
Thanks, Janella. Now, Jamaicans should be bracing for showers, thunderstorms and strong winds across the island from as early as the afternoon tomorrow. We are expecting the most significant activity in the evening and night.
All right, so we can't wait to hear more of what that will look like from you later on in the weather report and forecast. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this package. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what are your thoughts on the likely impact of Hurricane Beryl?
Share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at tvjnews center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.